welcome back to another video. So today, guys, just a little morning tea time. Let me go get my coffee. I forgot. Sorry about that. Let me get my coffee. So today I want to just talk about faith over fear. Got my coffee. Get your tea, your coffee, your water, your orange juice, whatever it is that you like in the AM. So happy September the 21st, I would like to say first of all. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. But anyway, I just wanted to say, let's have a little bit of more faith, okay, than we do over fear. Faith over fear is everything. Even the word says faith to move mountains. Faith can move mountains. And I know it sounds a little far-fetched and a lot of people won't understand. But guys, if you will just have a little bitty faith, a little bit, just a little slither of faith, how it can just open up to a big old piece of faith. A little slither can go a long way in faith. And then also, faith is like a mustard seed. It's so tiny. Y'all, it's so tiny. Can you see that? I know. It's so tiny. So tiny. But just trust me. Try to have a little bit of more faith than fear. Okay? All you need is a little bit of faith, guys. It can move a mountain. It really can. So that's all I have for you guys for tea time this morning. And yeah, let's drink. And let's get into the video. Y'all, let's get into a little bit of weekend. So the highlights of my week. So today is the 21st, okay? And I know for the 18th, I had the boys. And y'all, can I say, I had the most beautiful time with them. Just letting them climb in the front of the house, in the tree, letting them ride their bikes and scooters up and down the driveway. They couldn't go from the next driveway to the neighbor's. No, the neighbor left and right. They couldn't go past their driveway. They listened to me, and it was just beautiful, y'all. We really had a good day. Then I end up getting the other boy later on that evening and letting him hang out with them. And it was just lovely, y'all. I really had a nice time. That setting, the thing I showed you, go follow me on Instagram. I would have showed you Kirby in Ohio. It's her business. And I mean, it was just the people. I was glad I went to, because a lady there, I went to, I didn't go to school with her, but I went to school with her sister. And I knew them from growing up and just talking with them. And it was just, y'all, I was just in my own zone. And that's what made me feel really, really good. So I did get everybody there got a gift bag. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys. It's cute. She got a little business logo on here. And she gave her back, which it was her birthday too. She didn't have to give us nothing, but I thought that was nice. I'm going to get that. I'm going to steal that idea too, honey. Not really, but I'm just saying. I thought that was really cute though. If you're going to invite somebody to something, I don't know, maybe like a little token or something. So yeah, and if y'all wonder what I'm wearing today, I did put on my translucent one here. And then I also put on, I don't know, I think this is the YSL. This is Woody one. It smells so good, y'all. I love these fragrances. So next month, around that time, y'all know what next month is, right? I ain't going to tell y'all, but y'all can let me know in this video. Drop it in the comments. What y'all think next month is, because I think she's going to get some of these. I think she's going to get some. And I'm looking for like a wooden tray. Y'all, I'm going to shop my home because I'm not going to buy nothing. I want to put something right here to set my little stuff in. Instead of having it like this, I want to put all of our little, smell goods in there. Oh, it just smells so good, y'all. It feels good to smell good every day. Like, I always like put on smell goods, but sometimes I used to be like, I don't know. But today it's kind of gloomy. I don't know if I'm going to be out a whole lot like that, but I got a blue jean jacket in the car. But anyway, let's get into opening this gift. Cute little bag. We got some blue paper here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we got some EAD. This is Romantic Owl. Gift for you. I guess it's supposed to be like Escada. It's called Island. What did I just say? Island Kiss. So I got that. good. Y'all got some Escada? Because this is what it smells like. It's a, I guess a version of Escada. Escada. Am I saying it right? Ooh, it smells really good. So I'll probably add this. Okay, I'll add this to my little thing here. But then it has like a little lotion. So I probably will just, I don't really want that. I'm not gonna use it. But guess what? I can put it inside a gift bag or something for somebody. What else we got in here? Oh, ooh, we got a Skittles candle. Let's see what this smells like. How do you get this open? Oh, they got it tied tight. Sheesh. That's what it looks like, y'all. Skittles candle. And this one says Frisco. So I don't know what fragrance that is. I guess it smells like strawberries and some berries. Because that's the picture that they're showing on here. Ooh. Huh. That smells pretty and it's cute. So what I'll do with this probably is put it in the bathroom, in a windowsill or something, to burn it like when I'm in a bathtub or shower. And that was really thoughtful. How cute. How cute was that? So guys, I'm going to keep this, like I said, I'm going to keep that here. Sounds good. I'm going to keep that here. But in the meantime, we're going to go, I'm going to show y'all something real quick. Hold the line, please, okay? Let's just hold the line. I'm going to take y'all down the hallway because I want to show y'all something that I done and what I'm planning on doing else to it. Alright guys, so I'm just showing y'all the hallway. So you probably can hear an echo, and as you can see, the door has got painted. It looks really, really good. I'll show you the back, the front. Well, the front, it's got a touch of white around the part up here. The front and the back got painted and touch of white up here. It looks really good, but it has opened up the hallway. Even though it's dark, it opened up the hallway. And y'all see it's not nothing in here. It's echoey. So we just have the plant here. And I put the chair in the bedroom. However, the TV that's on that console table that's in the family room, y'all, it's so thin and sleek. I kind of want to put that like, because it won't stick out that far. I want to kind of like stick it right here and just put like, I can put my keys on it. It'll be more over to this way where your coats will hang. But I want to set it up more like a mud room, if you get what I'm saying. So let me know what y'all think. The only thing is I'm going to have to find something to, I would have to find something to put in its place. That's the only thing. Oh, sorry, y'all. Yeah, I would have to find something to put the TV on. So I'm not sure, or hang the TV back on the wall. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. But guys, I love this. I love the space. It's so open. It looks so beautiful. So that's the shoes, you know, hanging the bag there, whatever, and stuff. But I really, really like it. And then in here, I just put that little stool that I was sitting on when I was talking to y'all. Because really, I really had it at the foot of the bed. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and change these rugs out because I just need to change the rugs out. So we're going to grab the new rug here. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't get no lipstick on you. Yeah, we're going to grab that rug and we're going to put her in the bathroom. So y'all, let me see if I can do this with y'all sitting here, okay? We're going to put this one down in the bathroom. And then I'll put the other one in the kitchen. So let's go ahead and put her down. Y'all, I'm just not, the floor is clean, so don't come for me. The floor is clean. The floor is clean, but it was time to change out the rug. Now either I'm gonna put it this way. Let's see if I like that. This way. Sorry, I don't want no booty in your face. Let me see. I don't know, y'all. Let me step back here. What y'all think? Either that way, can y'all see it? That way, or let's try it the other way. I like it both ways. I like it like that. And I like it like this. It's just touching the toilet a little bit, but I like it. So that's what it looks like. I'll keep it like that. And then let's go get the other one. And then this one here, this one was in the bathroom. It's already clean. I washed last night, so I'm gonna put this one here because I don't know if you can tell when when you open the door, you have to step, and it's you kind of step down, and it's always like if it's raining or something, it's down there. So now got a rug here. So yeah, guys, I will catch you guys in another part of the video. If it's the end, then I don't know. But I will say this right now, y'all. Love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. Outfit of the day. What you got to say? Outfit of the day. Lucky brand belt. Real brass. I like that. So I might come back, y'all. Maybe I'll come back. I'll see you guys. All right, guys, I am back. So it's almost like 7 o'clock in the evening. I'm going to close the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed you guys today. And then also let me know, the comments about switching the table and things like that. I should just leave it open. And then also on the other channel, Simply Black Vegan, I am going to be showing you guys how to make your own coffee creamer. So stay tuned for that on the other channel. And yeah, y'all, I had a really good day. Like everything was in alignment. I'm gonna put it like that. So I'm so grateful. My message that I left you guys in the beginning of this video, I hope you all take it to heart, because I actually think that is what really made my day go good, to having that faith. So without further ado, we're going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and I'll see you in the next one. Always remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, and this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys. Bye.